Hello guys, welcome back. Let's see one of the C language question which was asked in GATE 2017. Here they have given few lines of code and they are saying that recall the string length is defined in string.h as returning a value of type size underscore t which is an unsigned int. This is important, which is an unsigned int. The output of the program is they are saying. Okay, fine. So every C program start executing from main method. Then the immediate statement is they have defined as some x pointer, x character pointer. They have defined one character pointer x and a string a b c with null character. Let us take this address is 100. That address they are copied to here. Means it is pointed like this. Next they have defined one y character pointer string constant mean this is d e f g h null. Let us take its address is 200, that is pointed by y value is a pointer. Yes, these are the two statement completed. Then it is going to call the function print length of x comma y. So it will call by passing two parameters x comma. What is x comma y? X value is 100, y value is 200. So that address it is going to pass here x 100, y 200. As they are addresses, here it should accept by the pointers, right? So that is why they have defined here pointers. One pointer as character pointer s, one character pointer is t, and they are going to store 100, they are going to store 200. So when it is having some address, it will be pointed here. When it is having some address 200, it is pointed to here. Yes, it will move the loop. Here they have defined clearly unsigned. Unsigned means it will accept only positive numbers. Unsigned positive numbers. Signed means it will accept both negative and positive include 0. Here 0 and positive. And depending upon the machine size, it will accept how many digits it is going to accept. Okay, you need to understand here unsigned means 0 and positive, signed means negative 0 and positive. Yes, unsigned int c equal to 0. So they have defined one c variable with a value 0. Now they have defined int length equal to string length of s. So as it is a kind of expression, first we will evaluate the expression based upon priority. First innermost expression we are going to execute. String length of s. What is string length of s? S is 100 means it is pointed to this location. String length of s is 3. Guys, you need to observe here the difference between string length function and size of function. String length function is going to scan the string until it encountered a null character, and it will count all the previous addresses. It will count all the previous means it will start traversing and it will count until it will encounter a null character. So until it counted a null character means 1 2 3. So string length of s is 3. What about size of s? Size of s is going to consider null character also. So total size of s is going to return 4. So that is the difference you want to understand. So string length of s is 3. String length of t 1 2 3 4 5. It won't consider null character. So total 5. So 3 minus 5 is what? 3 minus 5 is minus 2. Minus 2 is greater than c value is what? 0. C value is 0. This is the expression they have written. Question mark. String length of s. String length of s is 3 colon string length of t 4. Right? If you evaluate this expression result is going to store, they have stored in length variable, one int length. Mean they have defined one length variable. Here important point is this c. This c is an unsigned int. Here they have defined one and returning a value of type size underscore t which is unsigned int. Which is unsigned int means it won't return sign value. It won't return, this expression won't return sign value. This expression won't return sign value means what we need to understand here. We need to understand this as positive 2. That is important, most important. Unsigned int which is returned unsigned int. So 2 greater than 0, yes, condition is true. When condition is true, first statement is going to execute, that is 3. That 3 is going to copy to length variable. Then it is going to perform print length. Print length means length contains what value? 3. So it is going to print the result as 3. Guys, here you need to understand, whenever we are trying to compare a negative sign value with a signed value, an unsigned value, this is, let us take unsigned integer value, automatically it will consider this as also unsigned. That is what you need to understand. Whenever you understood this point, you can solve this directly. I hope you got clarity between string length and size of, and what will happen if you compared with unsigned operation. With this clarity of these 2 points, you can solve this question. I hope you understood. Thank you.